The first inspiration. Why full so rich I spray of fragrance from the bowers of the balmy flowers upon this festive day? Why from woods and bulbs do we hear sweet measure ringing that seem to be the singing of a choir of nightingales? Why in the grass below do birds start at the wind's noises, unlacing their omead voices, as then whoop from bough to bough? Why should to spring that clouds its startling murmur be tuning to the zephyr mellow crooning as among the flowers in flows? Why seems to me more endearing, more fair than on other days, the dawn's enchanting face, among red clouds appearing, the reason their mother is then feast your day of bloom, the rose with its perfume, the bird with its harmonies, and the spring that rings with laughter upon this joyful day, with its murmur seems to say, live happily ever after. And from that spring in the grove, now turn to hear the first note, the from my lute I emote, to the impulse of my love.